Ballet Barre Relevés, Cecchetti Ballet, Grade 3 Syllabus Course, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD. All exercise at the barre start and finish with the arms in fifth en basse. Face the barre. On counts 1 to 3, introduction, hold position, placing hands on the barre. On counts 4, demi-plie. On counts 1, route 1 relevé in fifth position. On count 2, lift front foot to retiré. On count 3, return to relevé in fifth. On count 4, plie. Count 5 to 12, repeat 2 more times. 13 to 16, repeat but place the foot in the back after retiré. Counts 1 to 16, repeat to the other side. You are facing the barre in fifth position, right foot front. Both sides. For more information, visit JacklynDougherty.com. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.